Dear students, today we shall continue with the chapter Exponents, chapter 5, exercise 5b, question number 3. Simplify giving answers with positive index. Positive index. There question number 1, 2b raised to 6 into b raised to 3 into 5b raised to 4. This dot means it is into. Solution, same question. Now next we have to arrange the numbers and variables. So first numerical coefficient is 2, then it's here second place it is 1, third place 5. So write the numbers continuously nearer to nearer. So 2 into 1 into 5. Now variables write in order b raised to 6 into b raised to 3 into b raised to 4. b raised to 6 into b raised to 3 into b raised to 4. Now multiply the numbers 2 into 1 2 into 5 10 into now b raised to 6 into b raised to 3 into b raised to 4. So with the same base b, then we have to add the exponents. We know the formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. With the same base a, m and n are the exponents, then add then exponents m and n, that is m plus n. So same formula you have to apply here. So b raised to 6 into b raised to 3 into b raised to 4. Answer is b raised to 6 plus 3 plus 4. 6 plus 3 plus 4. So same side write the formula also. What is the formula you be used for solving the answer? That's equal to 10 b raised to 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 4 13 is the answer. So first answer is 10 b raised to 13. Now second question, x square y cube into 6x raised to 5y into 9x cube y raised to 4. Solution and the same question. Here also arrange the numbers and variables in order. So first numerical coefficient is 1. So 1 into second 6 into 9 into now x variables write continuously. X square into x raised to 5 into x raised to 3 into now y variables write nearer to nearer. So y raised to 3 into y raised to 4. Multiply the numbers 1 into 6 6 into 9 54. Now x variables multiplication. Use the formula. So x square into x raised to 5 into x raised to 3 in the formula form a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. With a and is the same base, m and n are the exponents. The same base, answer is a raised to m plus n. That is the exponents add and write. Now here x is the same base, exponents 2, 5, 3. Then 2 plus 5 plus 3. X raised to 2 plus 5 plus 3 into now y base and exponents 3 plus 1 plus 4. Here no number means it is 1. 3 plus 1 plus 4. Next step 54 into x raised to 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 3 10 into y raised to 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. So answer is 54 x raised to 10 y raised to 8. Now next question number 3. Negative a raised to 5 into a square. So between bracket no signs means it is into only. For doing this question, just I will explain. Exponents of negative integers. Negative 1 raised to an odd number. Always you'll get a negative answer. Negative 1. So here it is 1, that's why negative 1 you'll get the answer. Negative 1 raised to even number. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This numbers exponent 2, 4, 6, 8. Then answer always you will get a positive form. Positive, here 1 is the number, that's a positive 1. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Example, negative 1 all raised to 3. 3 is a odd number. So negative 1 raised to 3 means negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. Then first multiply negative sign. Negative into negative, positive, positive into negative, negative. So multiplication, in multiplication answer you will get a negative sign. Then numbers multiply 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. So in answer negative 1. So what is the exponent here is 3. 3 is an odd number. Therefore answer in answer you will get a negative sign. One more example, negative 2 all raised to 5. Negative 2 all raised to 5 means negative 2 5 times multiply and get the answer. Negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. First multiply and then sign. Negative into negative, positive, positive into negative, negative, negative into negative, positive, positive into negative, negative. That's why in answer negative sign. Now multiply the numbers. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. So in answer negative 32. Sign negative because of odd exponent. Whenever you get to odd exponent means answer sign, in answer sign always negative. Next example, negative 1 all raised to 4. 4 is even, negative 1. So what will be the answer? When you an integer with even form, always you'll get a positive answer. So negative 1 raised to 4 means negative 1 4 times. Negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. So first multiply negative sign. Signs multiply negative into negative, positive, positive into negative, negative, negative into negative, positive sign. Then numbers 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 any number of times if you multiply you will get 1 only. Second example, negative 3 all square. Negative 3 integer, exponent is 2, that is a even number. Now what is the meaning of negative 3 all square? Negative 3 all square means negative 3 into negative 3. First multiply sign. Negative into negative, positive. So in answer you will get a positive sign. Now multiply number. 3 into 3, 9. So what do you understand from here? Exponents of a negative integer in the form of odd number. Negative integers exponent odd means always negative, and negative integers exponent even number means always it is a positive answer. So now see the question number 3. Negative a raised to 5. So exponent is odd. So when you multiply you will get sign is negative, and a raised to 2. So even only. So this answer always when you whatever with a number or a letter multiply you will get a positive answer. So question negative 1 a raised to 5 without a bracket writing into a square. Now numerical coefficient of negative a raised to 5 means it is a negative 1. In second case a square means numerical coefficient is 1. No sign, that's why positive 1. Here it is negative sign, therefore we are using negative 1. Negative 1 into 1. Numbers we are writing first, numerical coefficients write first. Then variables. Variables, that is a raised to 5 into a square. Now negative 1 into 1. Answer is negative 1. A raised to 5 into a square. So with the same base here, then exponents add and write 5 plus 2. So write the formula right side of this step. Then a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. This formula we are using here. Then negative 1 into a raised to 5 plus 2, answer is 7. Then next step without into, negative 1 into a means negative a raised to 7 is the answer. Next fourth question, negative y square into negative y raised to 3. Negative y square, solution same question. Negative y square means it is always a positive answer, positive sign. Multiplication you will get a positive. So negative y square means we can write y square because it is even number. Even means sign will be positive. Second case, negative y raised to 3. 3 is odd, so after multiplication sign will be negative. So we can write negative y raised to 3. I hope it is clear. Exponent even, so sign will be positive. Exponent odd, so sign will be negative. Then First, y raised to y square numerical coefficient is 1. No number means it is positive 1. Second, y raised to 3 negative sign is there and 1 no number, then 1 is the numerical coefficient with the sign negative 1 is the numerical coefficient. So 1 into negative 1 y square into y cube. Next 1 into negative 1 is the answer into with the same base y exponents add and write 2 plus 3 answer is 5. So negative 1 y raised to 5 formula right side of the same step is equal to answer is minus y raised to 5. Now next question 5 minus 3 square into 3 raised to 3. Solution question negative 3 square. Negative 3 is an integer, 2 is exponent that is even, therefore in answer you will get a positive sign. So negative 3 whole square, writing 3 square. This is positive. Once again I repeat, negative 3 is integer, exponent 2 that is even, therefore sign will be positive. So we are writing 3 square with the positive form. Then 3 raised to 3. Next with the same base 3 only, so 3 raised to exponents add and write 2 plus 3. This is write the formula right side, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 3 raised to 5 is the answer. Next number 6 minus 4x into minus 5x raised to 2. Solution question. Then minus 4x into, without bracket writing, minus 4x into minus 5x square. So arrange the numbers and variables. So first number is minus 4 into minus 5. Then variables x into x square. Now minus 4 into minus 5 answer is positive 20 or 20. X means x raised to 1 into x square. So with the same base x, then exponents plus and write. Then x raised to 1 plus 2. Write the formula right side here, no space, that's why I am writing here. Then 20 into x raised to 3, that's equal to, without into sign, 20x cube. Then number 7 question is homework. Question number 8. Question number 8, x raised to 2a plus 1 plus 7 into x raised to 2a minus 8. Solution same question. Then same base x, exponents 2a plus 7 and 2a minus 8. Then we will write, use the formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. The same base x, exponents 2a plus 7, I am writing in bracket plus. So multiplication time exponents add and write. Second exponent is 2a minus 8. 2a plus 7 plus 2a minus 8. These two are exponents plus. Then next without bracket we can write x raised to 2a plus 7 plus 2a minus 8. Now arrange the numbers and letters. X raised to 2a plus 2a writing nearer, plus 7 minus 8 numbers, that is writing nearer to. Arrange the numbers and variable terms. Next 2a plus 2a equal to, 2a plus 2a means it is 4a. 7 minus 8 answer is minus 1. So then answer is x raised to 4a minus 1. 2a plus 2a 4a. 7 minus 8 answer minus 1. So 4a minus 1 is the answer. Next question number 9 and 10 homework. Now question number 11. 4x square y square divided by 9x cube y cube. Solution same question. And same division form we can write numerator denominator form, that is 4x square y square by 9x cube y cube. Now next So here 4 numerator, compare the numerator and denominator. We cannot divide, cancel 4 and 9. So writing 4 by 9 same. Then x square by x cube. It's the same variable, same base. Then and y square by y cube with the same base y. So you have to use the formula a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. In division time, with the same base means exponents we have to minus n, right? So x square by x cube means division only. Then x raised to 2 minus 3. Exponents 2 and 3. 2 minus 3. The second y. Y raised to with the same base y. Exponents 2 and 3. Then 2 minus 3. First 4 by 9 into x raised to 2 minus 3 means it is minus 1. Y raised to 2 minus 3 means it is also minus 1. Then starting it's in question telling write the exponent with the positive number. Okay, then we will write 4 by 9 into x raised to minus 1. How to change that one in a positive form? So we will write 1 by x raised to 1. So using, see the formula, a raised to minus n means, it is formula already we learned, a raised to minus n means 1 by a raised to n. 1 by, if you write a to the exponent always positive only. So second one, y raised to minus 1 means 1 by y raised to 1. Then 4 by 9 into 1 by x raised to 1, no need to write 1 by x into 1 by y. That's equal to 4 into 1 into 1 means it is 4. 9 into x into y means 9xy. That's the answer. Now next question. 10 square all raised to 3 into x raised to 8 all raised to 12. So this is looking like which formula? We have already learned the formula a raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n is equal to a raised to mn. So 2 exponents are here, 2 and 3. Here 8 and 12, 2 exponents. So now see the question once again here. Then first 10 raised to 2 all raised to 3. So these 2 exponents multiply and write it. So 10 raised to 2 into 3. Here into x raised to 8 into 12. 8 all raised to 12 we will write 8 into 12. Next step 10 raised to 2 into 3 means 2 into 3 answer is 10 raised to 6 into x raised to 8 into 12. 8 into 12 answer is 96. So now we can write is equal to 10 raised to 6 into x raised to, into no need to write to use the into sign, x raised to 96 is the answer. Next question number 8. 13 is homework. 13, 14 homework. Then 15 minus 3ab all square. Minus 3ab all square means minus sign outside of the bracket. 3ab all square into minus 5a square b c raised to 4 all square. This minus sign is inside the bracket. So when you calculate, this one is outside the bracket and this sign is inside the bracket. Okay. So again same question. Now expansion, right? Minus 3ab square. So minus sign I am using in outside the bracket. Then what is the meaning of 3ab all square? That we either we can 2 ways we can write this one. So first method I will show here. 3ab all square means first 3 square. 3 is squaring. Raised to 2 means 3 raised to 2 into 3ab means 3 into a into b. Then 3 square first. Then into second variable is a. Squaring means a square into third next variable is b. Squaring means it is into b square. Minus sign is outside the bracket. Into second one is minus 5a square b c raised to 4 all square. This also same way I have to do. First number is minus 5. Minus 5 squaring means minus 5 square into a square already here, again square. Then a square in bracket all square. The square is outside. A square is first variable here. So a square all raised to this 2 into next variable is b. B squaring means it is b raised to 2. Next c is the variable. Already c raised to 4 is here. C raised to 4 writing. Squaring means outside, that is square writing. Okay, let's go bracket close. Now next same minus sign is outside the bracket. So from these two bracket, numbers and variables arrange in order. So minus sign outside, 3 square is the number here. So writing 3 square. And in this bracket minus 5 square into, now variables write in order. A square writing. Here it's with the same letter, same base a. Square all square, a square all square. Then variable b square. Here also b square. No c here. So here c raised to 4 all square, c raised to 4 all square. Then next multiply the numbers. Minus sign again outside. 3 square means, what is the meaning of 3 square? 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 answer is 9. So 3 square means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 3 square writing here 9. Minus 5 square means minus 5 all square. Minus 5 minus sign also in bracket is equal to minus 5 into minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus positive. 5 into 5 25. So 25 is here. A square same. Now a square all square means we are using the formula a raised to m all raised to n. A raised to m all raised to n formula, m into n exponents multiply and write. Then 2 into 2 4. Then next b square into next b square also writing same. Then c raised to 4 all raised to 2 will write to 4 into 2 answer is both are exponents. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Then next step 9 into 25 multiply is 225. Then a raised to 2 into a raised to 4. The same base a. Then exponents 2 and 4 add multiplication here. So a raised to 2 plus 4 into b square with the same base b. Exponents 2 and 2. So we'll write b raised to 2 plus 2. Multiplication time exponents add and write into c raised to 8. So here using the formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Now next 225 into a raised to 2 plus 4 answer is 6 into b raised to 2 plus 2 4 into c raised to 8 is equal to, without indicent, this minus remains like that. 225 a raised to 6 b raised to 4 c raised to 8 is the answer. Now same question we can write like this also. Second method, which is a convenience for you, that way you can use solve. Minus 3ab all square into minus 5a square b c raised to 4 all square. Same question. That's equal to, we can expand like this. Minus sign remains same. 3ab all square means 3ab all square means 3ab. Just see here, what is the meaning of x square? M square. M square means m into m. A raised to 3 means a into a into a 3 times. A raised to 3 expansion is a into a 3 times. M raised to 2 means m into m. Now same way 3ab all square means 3ab 2 times multiply and show. 3ab into 3ab. 3ab all square means 3ab into 3ab into minus 5a square b c raised to 4 all square means this full we have to write 2 times with the into sign. Minus 5a square b c raised to 4 into minus 5a square b c raised to 2 times writing. Exponent 2, that's why what is in bracket that 2 times with the into sign. Here 2 exponent what is in bracket that is 3ab. 3ab 2 times. Okay, that is equal to that minus sign remains same. Now from here all the numbers and letters are arranged. It's a number of all numbers write first. So 3, 3. Numbers means it is 3, 3, minus 5, minus 5. These are the numbers. Next, then A letters all write in here, then B letters, then C letters. So that is write in minus n outside. 3 into 3 into minus 5 into minus 5 into A into A into A square into A square into B into B into B into B C raised to 4 into C raised to 4. So all arrange number and variables. Then next minus sign remains like this. Then all the numbers are multiplied. 3 into 3 9. Negative 5 into negative 5 positive 25. Negative negative positive. So 9 into 25 answer is 225. Into then a times a raised to a means it is a raised to 1. Here also a means a raised to 1. So it's all with the same base a into a square into a square means with the same base a. Then the multiplication. So add the exponents and write. Then you'll write a raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 into. Now b is b means b raised to 1, b raised to 1, b raised to 1, b raised to 1. So you can write b raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into c means c raised to 4 into c raised to 4. So 4 plus 4, c raised to 4 plus 4. So here we are using the formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Then 225 same minus n outside the bracket a raised to 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. So a raised to 6 into b raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 4. C raised to 4 plus 4 means C raised to 8. So last answer without bracket minus and multiply minus into minus 225 A raised to 6 B raised to 4 C raised to 8 is the answer. Next number 16, 17 is a homework. Okay, 18. 4x square y cube all raised to 3 divided by 3x square y cube all raised to 3. Solution same question, and this division we are writing numerator denominator form. Same question writing in numerator denominator form. Next like last question, 4x square y cube all raised to 3 means what is in bracket that 3 times multiply and show. That means 4x square y cube into 4x square y cube into 4x cube y cube all by 3x square y cube all raised to 3 here. This bracket also 3 times right hand show. And 3 denominator will be 3x square y cube into 3x square y cube into 3x square y cube. Okay. Then next step will be that's all expansion writing 4x square y cube plus so into 4x square y cube into 4x square y cube. Denominator 3x square y cube into 3x square y cube into 3x square y cube. So now numerator and denominator compare. If any term numbers or letters, if we can divide or cancel and write. X square cutting, y cube cutting. Next x square cutting, y cube cutting. Also x square cutting, y cube cutting. Only numbers are remaining 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4. Denominator 3 is remaining 3 into 3 into 3. So multiplication 4 into 4 into 4 answer is 64. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So answer is 64 by 27. Okay, next number 19. 1 by 2x all cube. This all cube means this bracket what is here that is 3 times into 6x square. Solution same question. So now 1 by 2x all cube means first numerator 1 3 times, then denominator 2x also 3 times. 1 3 times means is the answer is always 1. Any number of times if you multiply, you will get 1 is the answer. So 1 raised to 3 means 1 writing. Then 6x all square means 6x 2 times. All raised to 2. So 6x into 6x all by 2x all raised to 3. 2x all raised to 3 means 2x 3 times multiply. 2x into 2x into 2x. Now numerator and denominator we compare. If we can divide or cancel any number or letter, divide. Okay, then first 2 and 6 cutting, dividing. 2 3 times in 6, so 3 writing. X and x cutting. Next second these 2 and 6 dividing, cutting, then 3 times x and x cutting here. So now what is remaining here? 1 into 3 into 3 in numerator. In denominator what is the balance? 2x is remaining here, 2x. So 1 into 3 into 3 answer is 9. 2x like that. 9 by 2x is the answer. Now next question. Number 20. 1 by 4a b square c all raised to 2 divided by 3 by 2a square b c square all raised to 4. Solution same question. Now separate square form and write numerator and denominator. So first 1 by 4 a b square c all square means 1 is numerator number is 1, squaring, that's writing 1 square. Denominator is 4 a b square c. Square means separate, I am writing here 4 a b square c all square. Separate square and show. So already know the formula a by b all square. A and b in bracket square outside. That we will write separate, and numerator square means a numerator square from a square, and denominator b squaring means b square. A square by b square is the without bracket we can write it. So same way we are writing 1 square by 4a b square c all square. Without bracket if you are writing 2 here wrong only, divided by the same division symbol. Now here also numerator and denominator separate to fourth form. Degree is exponent is 4 here. Then 3 raised to 4. 3 in bracket all raised to 4. Denominator 2a square b c square all raised to 4. Separate writing. Next step. First part is the same only. Now this division symbol, division we are changing and writing into. That means then if you are changing division, then write the reciprocal of the second part. That means 3 raised to 4 by 2a square b c square all raised to 4 will be in numerator, and these two changing and writing. Numerator and denominator change and write the reciprocal. First part is the same only. Division we are changing and into using here. Then write the reciprocal of the second part. Okay, then next step 1 by 4a b square c. 4a b square c all square means already I told this bracket what is here, that 2 times exponent 2, that is 2 times showing here into. Now here 2a square b c square all raised to 4 means what is in bracket, that write 4 times. Okay, then 2a square b c square 4 times in numerator by 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 means 3 4 times with the into sign. Now you see here you can cancel here numbers. First this 4 and this 2 cutting, then here it is 2. Next this 2 and this 2 we are cutting. Okay, next this a and a square means a 2 times, a into a, there 1 only we can cut, so that I will cut here this square cutting. A and a square is square, then 1 a is remaining here. So a square means a into a. So here a square means a into a is here. this a and 1a cutting. 1a means that square only we are cutting and showing. Next b square. Here b square is here. B square is square. B square means b into b. And this b, here b only. B and square we are cutting. B and this square only cutting. Now one b is remaining here. That b and here one b is cutting. Next c and c square. We can divide. C square means 2 times c coming. Then square and c cutting here. Now next this c and this c we can cut. C and c cutting. Next this 4 and 2 we can cut. 2 and this 4 cutting. Then 2 coming here. This 2 and this last 2 we can cut. Next a is here. This a and a square. A square is square and a cutting. Next b square is here. B square. This b and b square square cutting. Next this b and 1b is remaining here. B and last here 1b is here cutting. Okay, now see what is remaining here. So what is remaining? So numerator, what is remaining here? 1a is remaining here. A square remaining. Here 1a is remaining. So a into here 1a is remaining. Then here also a is remaining. A into this here a square remaining. Into then here also a square remaining. Into a square. Into now what is remaining here? C square remaining here. Now without cutting c square is here. Then next here also one c square. C square. First this c square into next this c square into one more c square is here. C square all by denominator 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Next use the formula and write the answer. So a into a square into a square means with the same base. Exponents 1 1 2 2. So we'll write here a raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 into c raised to 2 2 2. So we'll write 2 plus 2 plus 2 all by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to a raised to how much it is? A raised to 6. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6. A raised to 6 into c raised to 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6. C raised to 6 all by 3 into 3 9 into 3 27. 27 into 3 81 is the answer. 81 here. Now without into sign we will write a raised to 6 c raised to 6 by 81 is the answer. Or same question we can write like this also. One by, so which method convenience for that way you can solve. 1 by right here denominator same and denominator. So already you know the formula. A raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to m. M is the exponent and n is another exponent. So this way comes means you multiply these two exponents. Then we'll write m into n. Now see here 4a b square c all square. So first one is 4. 4 squaring means I'll write here 4 square into a square into b square, all square means 2 into 2, 4, b raised to 4 into c raised to 2. Here 1 into 2, 2 into, now next 2a square b c square all raised to 4. So exponent 4 here. So what is in bracket? Each one multiplied by each exponent multiplied by 4. So first 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 into a square all raised to 4 means 2 into 4, 8. A raised to 8 into, here b raised to 1. 1 into 4, 4. So b raised to 4 into c square all raised to 2 into 4, 8. C raised to 8. All by 3 raised to 4 same. No change. Now next step 1 by 4 square means answer is 16. 4 square means 4 into 4 not 4 into 2. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 2 times multiply, that is 16. Then a square into b raised to 4 into c square into 2 raised to 4 means 2 4 times. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 16 I will write direct 16 into a raised to 8 into b raised to 4 into c raised to 8 by 3 raised to 4 means that is 81. Okay, now here 16 16 cutting first. Okay, now what is the remaining terms is here? In numerator a raised to 8, in denominator a raised to 2. I write nearer to you. So a raised to 8 by a raised to 2. First, that is both with the same base a. Now next b raised to 4 is here. B raised to 4. Denominator also b raised to 4. This b raised to 4 into. Now numerator c raised to 8 by denominator c raised to 2 into this one 81 is denominator, that we can write 1 by 81 denominator it is coming. Now a raised to 8 by a raised to 2 means division form, the same base, so we'll write exponents minus and write then a raised to 8 minus 2 into, here b raised to 4, b raised to 4 cutting, c raised to 8 by c raised to 2 we'll write c raised to 8 minus 2 into 1 by 81, same 1 by 81. First is equal to a raised to 8 minus 2 means a raised to 6 into c raised to 8 minus 6 means c raised to 6 into 1 by 81. Without into sign we can write a raised to 6, c raised to 6 by 81. Same answer. Compare the methods and which is convenience that we can solve use. Now next question. Number 21 is homework. 22 question is 7p square q raised to 9 r raised to 5 all square into 4p q r raised to r all raised to 3 all by 14p raised to 6 q raised to 10 r raised to 4 all square. Same question, solution and same question. I'll write the direct here. 7p square q raised to 9 r raised to 5 all square means 2 is outside the bracket exponent. So inside the bracket what is each multiply by this exponent. 7 means 7 raised to 1. So 1 into 2, 7 raised to 2 into p raised to 2 into 2 means 2 into 2, 4. Then q raised to 9 into 2 means q raised to 18. R raised to 5 all raised to 2 means 5 into 2, 10. R raised to 10 into 4 raised to 1 here. No number means it is 1. 1 into 3, 4 raised to 1, 3. P means p raised to 1. 1 into 3, 3. So p raised to 3 into q raised to 1 into 3, 3. R raised to 1 is here. 1 into 3, 3. All by denominator 14 all square. Here square 14 square into p raised to 6 into 2. 6 into 2 answer is 12 into q raised to 10 into 2, 20. R raised to 4 into 2, 8. Then next step, this numbers expansion, right? 7 square means 7 into 7. Denominator 14 square means 14 into 14. Then other all writing like this. So p raised to 4. All the terms, variables and numbers next arrange. 7 square means 7 into 7. P square, p raised to 4. Then next p is p raised to 3. Then q raised to 18. Q raised to 3. R raised to 10. R raised to 3. Then this 4 cube last writing. 4 into 4 into 4. All by denominator 14 square means 14 into 14 into p raised to 12 into q raised to 20 into r raised to 8. Now 7 and 14 first cutting is 2. Next 7 and 14 cutting 2. These 2 and 4 cutting, 2 into 2 4 here, the 2 together, so this 4 we are cutting. Now what is the balance here? P raised to, so first 4 into 4 number writing, first 4 into 4 16 I am writing here first place. Then p raised to 4 into p raised to 3, both with the same base p. 4 plus 3 equal to 7, direct I am writing p raised to 7. Then q with the same base 18 plus 3 21, q raised to 21 into r raised to 10 plus 3 answer is 13. Now denominator p raised to 12 into q raised to 20 into r raised to 8 is same. Now change. Now next p raised to 7 by p raised to 12 in the form of a raised to m by a raised to n formula form. So next step is 16 into p raised to 7 minus 12. Then q raised to, here it is 21 20. So 21 minus 20, 13. Next r raised to 13 minus 8. We are writing p raised to 7 minus 12 into q raised to 21 minus 20 into r raised to 13 minus 8. Then 16 into 7 minus 12 answer is p raised to minus 5, negative exponent. Then q raised to 21 minus 20 means it is q raised to 1 into r raised to 13 minus 8, answer is 5. Then this negative, so starting it's telling, so with the positive exponent, so p raised to minus 5 I have to make a positive 1. 16 into p raised to minus 5 write in denominator, so 1 by p raised to 5. Then q raised to 1 means q, r raised to 5 means r raised to 5 by 5. This p raised to negative 5 negative, that's why writing in denominator, then it became positive. Last answer is 16 q r raised to 5 p raised to 5. Okay.